Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change server in Lands of Jail. Changing servers in Lands of Jail is simple once you unlock the required game features. First, make sure you have progressed far enough in the tutorial to access the main menu options. After unlocking them, open your Warden profile located in the top left corner of the screen. From there, navigate to the Settings menu and select the Character Management option. This section allows you to view and manage the servers available in the game. Each server lets you create up to 2 characters, with a total limit of 10 characters across all servers. When choosing a new server, browse the list and select the one you prefer. Keep in mind that switching to a different server will start you with separate progress, meaning your previous achievements, resources, and development will not carry over. Once you select your desired server, confirm your choice and begin building your new prison and character from the beginning. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.